Welcome back to Mudra classes beta. I am your Rakesh sir, commerce lecturer. Today I am going to explain you accounting for not for profit organization question number 6. Okay, now I am going to explain you question number 6. So this is the question number 6 beta from accounting for not for profit organization. So what is given in the question? Let's see. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account. So what is given beta in this question? In this question, receipts and payments account given, and what is asking to prepare? Income and expenditure account. So in this question, receipts and payments account is given and asking to prepare income and expenditure account. So here I drawn already income and expenditure account format. Okay, so before watching this video, you listen introduction class of this chapter, because without introduction you will not understand anything problem. So introduction is very important. In introduction clearly I told you, in the question debit side items, in answers we will write credit side. In the question credit side items, in answer we will write debit side. But in the question capital receipts, revenue receipts are giving, but in answer we will write only revenue incomes. In the question capital expenditure, revenue expenditure both are giving, but in answer we will write only revenue expenditure. And in the question there are 3 years income is giving, current year, previous year and next year, but in answer we will write only current year. This all I explained clearly half an hour video in the introduction chapter for this. Okay, so compulsory you must listen that video. After that only you attend the after that only you will watch this video, otherwise you will not understand better. Okay, so as I explained in the previous class beta, so listen now. What is first item given? Subscription, donation, like this some items given. Let's see what is given. First adjustment, capitalize 50% of the donation. So tick the donation. In adjustment given, legacy is given. So tick the legacies. Next entrance fee given. So tick the entrance fee. Next life membership fee given. So tick the life membership fee. Okay. Capitalize said nana, that means only half of the amount we have to write in the income and expenditure account. Remaining half we will write in the balance sheet liability side. See the second one. What is given? Second one, subscription still outstanding amount 5,000 rupees. What is the meaning of subscription? Members of the organization voluntarily paying every month to the organization. That is the main source of income to the organization. One person is liable to pay 5,000 but is not paid nana, that is in regular income, so we have to add to the subscription here. So tick the subscription. Next one, depreciate sports material said. So sports material is an asset, you remember. So here sports material depreciated given. So furniture given, we have to write tick the furniture. Okay, these are the adjustments given. Now one by one we will see how to write in the question. Remember beta, in the answer, that is in income and expenditure account, we will not write assets, we will not write assets purchased or sale, we will not write, and we will not write next year or previous year income or expenditure. Only current year income, current year expenditure only we will write in the income and expenditure account. So first item what given beta here? Subscription given. It is main source of income. Already I explained in the previous class. So you go and watch that introduction class. Now in income and expenditure account, credit side, we have to write first item subscription. By subscription, amount write in inner column beta, because we have adjustment. So write down inner column by subscription. How much beta? 15,000 rupees. So write amount in inner column because we have adjustment. See the next one. Next item given, donations. Generally remember beta, donations are two types. Okay, one is specific donation, another one general donation. What is the meaning of specific donation? If any person donated money to the not for profit organization and said purpose also, for what purpose that money must be used. For example, one person donated 1 lakh rupees and he said conduct one cricket tournament on my father name. That is called specific donation. Otherwise, one person donating 1 lakh rupees and asking to arrange one library in that colony, so that is called specific donation. That means that person giving money and is also saying the work for which that money must be utilized, so that is called specific donation. Generally specific donations are not writing in the answer, that is income and expenditure account, we will write in the balance sheet liability side. Okay, so generally here donation given Anna actually. So these donations generally we will not write in the income and expenditure account, because this is a considering here it is a huge amount. Okay, so in donations also, when to write, when to not write, I clearly explain in the introduction classes. You listen that one also. Basic accounting terms topic, I explain this one. Okay, next. So legacies, what is the meaning of legacies? One person donating his total assets as per his will, Nana, that is called legacies. That means for example, I will tell you, one child is not listening father, whatever father says, that child is not listening. So what the father will do, that entire, what are the properties that father is having, that entire properties is writing to the any organization. Okay, so that is called legacies beta. That means will of a person. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి అంటే లెగాసీస్ అంటే తన ఆస్తి మొత్తాన్ని, కొడుకు నేను చెప్పిన విధంగా వినడం లేదని తన ఆస్తి మొత్తాన్ని ఎవరైనా అనాథాశ్రమంకి రాసేస్తుంటారో అలాంటివి లెగాసీస్ అని అంటారు. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఫీ. So entrance fee, sometimes we will write in the income and expenditure account, sometimes we will not write. That one also we discussed in the basic accounting terms, Nana. So here entrance fee means, here any adjustment given for entrance fee not given, so we can write clearly in the income and expenditure account. But here what is said, only 50% we have to write is said. Next one, life membership, simple beta. Okay, how to do? Subscription given, write in the income and expenditure account, credit side. Okay, what is the next item given beta? Donations given. How much? What is the donation? Okay, first of all, for subscription leave some place. Next, what is the second item here? Donation. So write in inner column, because 50% of the amount capitalized said, Nana, so we will write in inner column. Let's see, here I will write leave some place for subscription here. By donations 50,000 given, write in inner column, we have adjustment. See the next one. Next one given legacies. Legacies how much given? 10,000 rupees. Okay, so actually legacies will not come in the income and expenditure account, Nana, but here given in adjustment, that's why we are writing 10,000 rupees. Okay, next one, entrance fee given 5,000 rupees, write in inner column. By entrance fee 5,000 rupees. Next one, life membership fee given 3,000 rupees, so write on inner column. By life membership fee, how much given life membership fee beta? 3,000 rupees, so I will write here 3,000 rupees inner column. Okay, I will write here inner column. Just a minute beta. Now see the next item beta. What is given next item? So life membership fee completed. Next item, here sports income is given, so it is regular income. Sports income is a regular income, so we will write here, leave some place. By sports income, how much amount given beta? Sports income 17,000, so write down here 17,000 directly outer column, no adjustment, sports income. Next item given sundries. Sundries means small income, Nana. It is a regular source of income to the not for profit organization, so we will write 5,000 rupees. By sundries 5,000 rupees. Okay, right. See the next item. Next item given sale of newspaper beta. So sale of newspaper also regular source of income, so we have to write here by sale of newspaper. Sale of newspaper, it is also regular income, because every month we will sell the newspaper. Okay, now these are the items which are given in the question debit side. So these are items given in the question debit side. So why we written this all? Actually see beta, listen carefully. Here I written some item donations. These 4 items actually we will not write in the income and expenditure account. Remember carefully, sometimes we will write entrance fee, sometimes we will not write. If you listen the ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, మీరు ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ వింటే ఇది మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ వీ విల్ నాట్ రైట్ దీస్ 4 items in income and expenditure account, but why we written in the answer? Because here what is given, capitalize 50% of the donation, legacies, entrance fee and life membership fee said, that's why we written, otherwise we will not write. Okay, now come to the credit side. What are the credit side given, Anna? Credit side, first item given land, it is an asset, we will not write. Second item given building, it is also an asset, we will not write. Third one given furniture, it is also an asset, we will not write. Fourth one given sports material, it is also an asset, we will not write. Already I told you, in the income and expenditure account we will not write assets. Okay, we will write in balance sheet, that all. Okay, next is sports expenditure given, yes we will write. Sports expenditure is a regular source of expenditure to the not for profit organization. In the question credit side given, in answer we will write debit side, sports expenditure account 6,000 rupees. So here I will write beta to sports expenditure, to sports expenditure 6,000 rupees. Okay, are you able to see this one, Rana? Yes, otherwise I will write with white pen so that you can understand clearly. So sports to sports expenditure 6,000 rupees. Okay, in the question credit side given, in the answer I written on debit side. See the next item, general expenses given, it is regular source of expenditure, so we have to write general expenses 2,000 rupees to general expense 2,000 rupees, no adjustment, directly outer column. Next item, magazines given, it is also regular source of income, Nana. Every month magazines will come, we will pay every month magazines, so this is also a regular source of expenditure, magazines. So not for profit organizations are purchasing newspapers, magazines, every month they are purchasing, so that is regular expenditure. How much amount is given for magazines? 2,000. So write down here 2,000 rupees. Okay, now see, this closing balance we will not write, beta. This closing balance we will not write. This closing balance we will not write. Why we will not write? Because receipts and payment account is nothing but which account? This one. This is receipts and payments account. So receipts and payments account is nothing but cash account. Okay, it is nothing but cash account. Okay, so cash account closing balance means it is an asset. Cash closing balance means it is an asset. So receipts and payments account closing balance means it is an asset, so we will not write. Okay, now one by one we will see the adjustment. What is said? Capitalize 50% of the donation, legacies, entrance fee and life membership fee said. So how to do? Simple Nana. So donation 50% said, so less capitalize word we have to write here, less capitalize. Okay, otherwise I will use you for your understanding here, I will use you yellow color pen, Nana, so that you can understand clearly. Less capitalize 50% say, Nana. 50% means in 50,000, 50 percentage means how much? 25,000 rupees we have to deduct here, and only 25,000 rupees we will write here. These minus whatever minus we done here, 25,000 rupees, that one we will write in balance sheet liability side. So in this question liability balance sheet not asked, so we are not preparing. Next legacy is also 51% said, so write here capitalize 5,000 rupees, because 10,000 50% how much, Nana? 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees outer column. Next entrance fee given, in entrance fee half of the entrance fee capitalize means half of the entrance fee capitalize means what we have to do, Nana? So capitalize 2,500, because 5,000 in 5,000 what is half amount? 2,500. So 2500 outer column, and life membership fee also capitalized said. So whatever items, 4 items said, so 4 items we have to write half of amount here. So 1500 rupees do minus this 1500 right outer column. So these 4 items, whatever we deducted here, these 4 items, 1 2 3 4, these 4 items, half amount we will write here and half amount we will write in balance sheet liability side. Okay, that is capitalized. Whenever capitalize say nana like this we have to deduct. Okay, see the next adjustment. What is the next adjustment given? So here first adjustment we completed beta. Here first adjustment we completed. So first adjustment we completed. Now see the second one. Subscription still outstanding amount 5000 rupees. Ante what is the meaning of subscription still outstanding, Nana? Actually, what is the meaning of subscription? Every month organization members are paying regularly to the every month organization members are paying to the organization. This is the main source of income. So one person is liable to pay 5000 rupees but is not paid. Even though that person not paid, that is belongings to the current year. అరే ఒక పర్సన్ మనకి 5000 పే చేసేది ఉంది, అతను పే చేయకపోయినా సరే అది మనకి కరెంట్ ఇయర్ది నాన్న, అది కాబట్టి కరెంట్ ఇయర్ది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అతను పే చేసినా పే చేయకపోయినా అది కరెంట్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించింది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అనేది ఎవ్రీ మంత్ రెగ్యులర్గా మెంబర్స్ పే చేసే అమౌంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి. అంటే ఎందుకు మెంబర్స్ పే చేస్తారు? వీళ్ళు ప్రాఫిట్ కోసం బిజినెస్ చేయరు. ప్రాఫిట్ కోసం బిజినెస్ చేయనప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారు సార్? వీళ్ళు ప్రాఫిట్ కోసం బిజినెస్ చేయనప్పుడు ఓకేనా, మరి వీళ్ళకి డబ్బులు ఎట్లా వస్తాయి? ఆఫీస్ రన్ చేయడానికే కాబట్టి అందులో ఉన్న మెంబర్స్ ప్రతి మంత్ 5000 10,000 ఇస్తుంటారు. అట్లా ఒక మెంబర్ 5000 ఇవ్వాల్సింది ఇవ్వలేదన్నమాట. ఇవ్వకపోయినా అది కరెంట్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించింది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఐ టోల్ యూ, కరెంట్ ఇయర్ ఐటమ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఐ సెడ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కరెంట్ ఇయర్ ఐటమ్, ఈవెన్ దో ఈ నాట్ పేడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. సో యాడ్ ఇయర్, యాడ్ outstanding subscription. So outstanding subscription, how much given beta? Outstanding subscription amount, so 5000 rupees said, so 5000 rupees we have to add here. So 15,000 plus 5,000, 20,000 outer column. Okay, let's see the next one. Depreciate sports material and furniture by 10%. So sports material, how much given beta? Sports material given 11,500, and furniture how much given? Furniture 10,000. Okay, so depreciate sports material by 11,500, 10% said, and furniture also said 10%. Okay, how to do? Let's see. So debit side nana, in income and expenditure account, debit side to depreciation on sports material. Are you able to see beta? Just a minute. Yes. So better I will write with white pen mark nana, so that you can able to see clearly. If I write with another marker, maybe you are not visible properly, it will not visible properly. So here I will write to depreciation on sports material, okay. So what is the sports material amount beta? Sports material amount 11,500. On that we have to calculate 10%. So 11,500 into 10% means 10 by 100, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So what is the depreciation amount nana? 1150. Okay, similarly one more item given, depreciation on furniture. What is the furniture amount? 10,000 rupees. Okay, on depreciation on furniture, how much percentage given Anna? Total 10,000 rupees given. On 10,000 rupees 10% said. Okay, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 1,000 rupees. So we have to write here 1,000 rupees. Okay, one time I will check whether 10,000 is given or not. Yes, 10,000 is given. Okay, let's now all items are completed beta. Now we have to do the total. Okay, let's see. First we will do the credit side total beta. Credit side total we will do. Okay, let's see credit side total. So 20,000, the credit side total I will write down here. Okay, 20,000, 25,000, 45,000, 50,000, 50,000, 54,000, 54,000, 61,000, 71,000, 76,500. So credit side total is 76,500. Now see the debit side total beta. Now see the debit side total. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,000, 12,150. So 12,150 is the debit total. In these two, credit is big amount. So both sides write that credit big amount beta. So in these two, Nana, credit is a big amount. See, credit is a big amount, 76,500. So we will write that amount here. We will write that amount here. 76,500. Both sides will write that big amount, 76,500. Now do minus from big amount to small amount. Now do minus from big amount to small amount beta. So let's see, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 1, 6. So how much we got beta? 64,350 got. So in debit and credit, which is the smallest amount? Debit side. So this amount we have to write on debit side. This amount we have to write on which side beta? Debit side we have to write. Okay. Right. So here I will write 64,350. This is class to surplus account, okay, very simple, Nana, very easy chapter. Where if you understand, you have to understand the basic concept properly. You have to understand the basic concept properly. If you understand the basic concept properly, you can able to do problem easily. So compulsory you listen 2 videos. One is introduction to this chapter. After that, basic accounting terms. If you understand these 2 topics perfectly, you can able to do problem within a 5 minutes. Okay, right. With this problem is completed, Nana. In next session I will explain to you next problem. Okay, take care, bye.